Hello everyone. Today we are going to have a course in Technology Enhanced Learning by Mahmoud Alaskandrani and Sherif Aboul. Technology in Classroom focuses on teachers, students, tools, and the environment, parents, classroom, technology. So, the final goal is all devices lead to learning. By learning has some elements like hardware, apps, curriculum, lesson plans, assessment, teachers, students, feedback. Here we have the chart composed of teacher, student, in the middle, environment, and tools. So teacher has to know pedagogy, methods, technology, and class management. Also we have students who has some skills like mind mapping using technology. So we use these tools like iOS, Android, and Windows. Here we have some statistics in using such devices showing that smartphones, computers are used 24% to entertainment at home. Also, we use tablets 79% at home for entertainment and communication. For Bloom's taxonomy, we can see new criteria, adding creation at the top of the pyramid. We can classify apps according to this pyramid: iPad, Android, and web sites also. Creation and creating is important. Google has 11 apps in the cloud through which we can share information. According to Summer model, beginning with the initial letters, ending with redefinition, we can classify apps also according to such criteria. Here, the objective of this project is to explore iPad for learning and teaching. Let's start. The plan: basics, common apps, creating, collaborating, testing, multi-devices, assessment, and feedback. We start up any training with the setup. Look the screen, rearrange. We should teach the mistakes we can following to use the apps. Apps of the iPad. We have billion and millions of apps. We can download a lot according to the last statistics. Teacher can download, for example, from the website according to his subject, math, science. For example, we can say Flipboard for information literacy. Also, we have a wonderful app called iTunes U, by which we can manage and create our courses. Pages is a wonderful app also for reading. iBook, we can use it to read books. We can use Evernote and Notes to take notes. Also, we can store information in the Dropbox or iCloud, Google Drive, OneDrive. We can use mind mapping and brainstorming through Puppet, MindMeister, and we can also use some code readers through Scanner, AR or augmented reality. Creating. We can create presentation through Prezi and Keynote. iMovie also, explain everything also. Public, as we can see, trees, branches, boxes for family words. Prezi, an important app for presenting our project. Concerning writing content, we can write our portfolio through Pages and Evernote, creating and sharing through Flickr for photos and explain everything. A wonderful app. Also, we can record and edit audio through GarageBand and SoundCloud. We can record videos through iMovie. We can create screencasts through Show.me, Teach, Educations, and explain everything. Concerning stories and telling, digital storytelling, Animator and Voice Thread, wonderful for sharing comments. We can create books through Book Creator and Comic Life. We can also make blog as a blogger and WordPress to have a site for you. Concerning collaborating or making and sharing a work, we can have online classes through Skype, Google Plus, and WizQ, and share our works in Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus, LinkedIn, Emendo, Pinterest. Assessing and evaluation. Teacher can give his feedback to his students through Socrative app, wonderful channels. From the Infused Learning websites, we have interactive tools. Also, we can have multi-devices in one activity through Reflector, connecting our iPad with the laptop. Here we have an example done by us through iMovie tutorials. Okay, let's start. We have also Keynote, another app. It's also not free. Here we go. First, we have to choose the icon. Here, the interface, photo, videos and theater. We can add from here. We can choose movie, not the trailer. We can also build e-learning through a cooperation between apps, Camtasia, Everything, Comic Life. Concerning the smartboard, very powerful tool and communication with the students. It's important to show videos and pictures in whiteboard. We can compare between smartboard and Promethean to know the difference in Egypt. We have some useful links here to train ourselves to do that with the students. Here we have activities of the smartboard. We can rub and reveal, we can drag, we can insert pictures. We can also collaborate with apps like Dockery from the iPad. Students in action, how we can get our students active. Students today lazy, sleeping in the class, how to motivate them. If we look at this pyramid, we can see that teacher role changes to activate them, to have them practice by doing. In the traditional classroom, they sleep in the class, but activity today is different. We can have a lesson plan for teachers, objective to use certain app and certain steps. Teacher should also give simple instructions for his students. Here we have some samples of our works done by iMovie, iPhoto. like this photo story by Sherif. Audacity, we have also a poem recorded by this app on PC. Concerning teacher, the guide of the modern methods, we can train him by using some tutorials, such as we explain everything from this site on our YouTube channel or from the website Teacher. Concerning our school visits in UK, we visited 5 schools. We were 5 groups, and we were watching all facilities of the school concerning the devices, teacher during the classes. Also, we asked about parents and their roles at home. Challenges in UK and Egypt, we discuss some infrastructure in Egypt that should be done. When I'm back to Egypt, I have to tell the responsibles that we should use these devices. Thank you from me and Sherif. Also, we thank our colleagues for sharing us these wonderful days of our lives. We thank the headmasters of such schools. We thank our doctors and professors for their efforts. Bye bye. Mahmoud Alaskandrani and Sherif Aboul.